Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to download and install Fabrics for Minecraft in 2025, and it will be a step-by-step video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first you just need to open your browser and then go to the official Fabric website. The website link is you can note it as it you want, cmc.net, and then hit enter and it will land you into this platform. So you just need to click onto the download. Once you click over here, you just need to choose the universal jar or Windows XE, whichever works for you. Just click over here, and from that place you just need to choose one of them, and then you just need to click on download for Windows. Just click over here, and once you click over here, it already been done. Download here. Now once it's done, you just need to open the installer and just click to the yes, and make sure Minecraft version is set to 1.21.7 and keep loader version as the latest and check create profile, and you just need to click install. It only takes a few seconds. And next you will need the Fabric API. This makes most Fabric modes work properly. You just need to go to the cursforge.com. So this is the website link, CURSEFORGE, cursforge.com. And here you can see, you can note this one also, and you will come back to that place. The place the downloaded jar file into your Minecraft mods folder. If the mods folder does not exist, just create it and open the Minecraft launcher. In the version list, select the new Fabric loader 1.21.7 profile, click play. Minecraft will launch with Fabric install, and that's it. Now you're ready to install Fabric mods and enjoy Minecraft 1.21.7. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Minecraft tutorials. Thanks for watching.